Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams, just stopping by real quick to let you know that I was a special guest on Call Me Crafty Owl's channel for her Oh So Inspired tonight. Normally she does this series with her sister, but her sister was unable to make it to their at the time that they were going to do it tonight, and therefore on a moment's notice, okay, 3 hours notice, Alicia asked me if I wanted to fill in. I said sure, why not? So you can go, I will link everything below so you can go over and watch how we created our cards. It was way more fun than I anticipated being. Very nerve-wracking being live and creating live, but I had a lot of fun. I used this Sweet and Sassy In This Together stamp set, did some ink blending, and this is the card that I ended up making. You'll find out all the details of what we were inspired by and exactly how I put it together over on her channel and that video. So I hope you'll take some time and go and watch that. I hope to be able to join again sometime, as it was a lot more fun than what I thought. And I guess that's all I have for you tonight. Just wanted to hop on real quick and say, look at me, I went live with Call Me Crafty Owl. Thanks for stopping by. I'll be back soon with another video. If you like what you see, I hope you subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, and until next time, go do something for yourself. Go get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax and enjoy your day. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.